Hi everybody, Reich Polo Tech here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Oregon Magnum Gatorline Square. Now this is the 0.95 inch version of it. They do have it in thicker sizes. They also have it in thinner sizes, but this is the size that I like to use. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button for me and also hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. All right, let's get down to it here. I switched to this about a year and a half ago. I've tried several other strings. I've tried the triangular kind, I've tried the square kind, obviously the round kind. And when I switched to this square kind, I was really happy with it. It's pretty strong. It's got a second little core in the middle of it to give it a little bit of extra strength. This is slightly different material than the outside of it, so it gives it a little bit of extra strength because it's kind of like almost like 2-ply sort of. But anyways, really good stuff. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put some product links to Amazon to this. This is the 3-pound spool. It's like 685 feet. They have much smaller sizes like the 1/2 pound. I don't remember how long it is, but it's a lot shorter, and 1 pound. And they also have 5-pound spools of it as well. I'll put all the different lengths and sizes that you can order on Amazon if you want to try it out. I highly recommend trying it out. If you've never tried it before, it's just, I mean, I can't even stress it enough. It's awesome. It's probably my favorite string that I've ever tried before. I'm not paid by Oregon to promote this. I just really love it. Really, I honestly recommend that no matter what string you're trying out, I'd get just a small amount of it, try it first, and then if you like it, get a bigger spool of it. But definitely get a small amount first and really try it out. Another thing I want to say really quick is that I use a speed feed head on my steel trimmer, and this line works great on it. It doesn't bind up at all. I had lots of trouble out of this triangular string that I was using for a while there, and it would bind up inside the speed feed, get tangled up, and just wouldn't come out when you bump it. So this one's not doing that at all. So I just can't stress how much I like this stuff. It's really awesome. So I just want to let you guys know that as well while I was thinking about it. So that's just my opinion on it. I've talked to a lot of friends in the business as well, and they also all really like it pretty well. Many of them use it. So anyways, if you like this video, guys, please hit that like button for me. Leave your comments down below if you disagree, or if you have another string that you highly recommend. I'll check it out also and maybe do a product review on that one as well. But anyways, hit that like button and that subscribe button for me, guys, and check out my other videos.